In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript code in Wix. If you're building a website on Wix and are interested in adding custom widgets or features using JavaScript, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can incorporate JavaScript into your Wix site effortlessly. First, if you want to integrate standalone widgets like calendars, maps, or even animations, you'll want to use the HTML iframe method. This technique is particularly useful when you have independent elements that you want to embed directly into your website. By using an HTML iframe, you can easily insert these widgets into your Wix site, allowing for seamless interaction. Now let's discuss another fantastic approach for those who want to add more customized features, leveraging the Velo dev mode. This option is especially recommended if you desire greater control and flexibility when enhancing your site with custom functions. Start by opening your website in the Wix editor or the Wix Studio editor. Once there, find the top menu and click on Dev Mode, then select Turn on Dev Mode. Doing this opens up the code panel at the bottom of the screen. With this mode activated, you're now able to write JavaScript directly for your entire site or specific pages, granting you the power to tailor the website's behavior as per your needs. Sometimes when venturing into code, it's useful to have resources or support at hand. Don't hesitate to click on the help option available in Wix. This feature provides you with valuable guidance and tips for tackling more complex coding challenges and improving your development skills. Furthermore, consider exploring the capabilities of developing custom websites using Wix. By enabling development features, you're not just limited to adding basic JavaScript. You can collaborate with Wix's APIs to incorporate custom functionalities and interactions into your pages. Also, with the flexibility of adding CSS, you can further customize the look and feel of your site, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your branding. There you have it. These methods allow you to incorporate JavaScript into your Wix site, effectively broadening its capabilities and user experience. The flexibility offered by Wix's development environment, particularly through Velo, empowers you to push the boundaries of customization. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from experimenting with these features to see how best they serve your specific site needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!